In this video we will share and discuss some information about project tracking software. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please like and share this video because we need your support. Watch the video till end, so that you may have better understanding. Let's start the video. The project tracking software is basically a program, possibly downloadable from the World Wide Web or purchased in CD-ROM or hard disk form and then downloaded into the computer's desktop system. It can also be a software that translates into a program that is accessed only through the internet, and then, through this, one will be able to track activities more easily and efficiently. What project tracking softwares can do. The features installed in project tracking softwares available in the market these days actually vary depending on the company that manufactures the software program. But there are some characteristics that are inherent in task tracking softwares. Among these characteristics are as follows. 1. Creating project plans. A project tracking software typically has templates where one can put in all the projects he currently has at hand and then draft a plan out of all of them. This way, there will be no more struggling with dusty chalkboards or messy tasks calendars. Also, no more panicking when the office organizer gets lost from its storage space in the desk drawer. All one has to do to be reminded of his project plans is to check it out when he opens his computer. Also, through this template or draft plan, he can update the progress of his projects as often as he wants, and then get an overview as to what projects are already finished, what projects need to be given extra attention, which needs to be attended to as soon as possible, and which can be set aside for the time being. 2. Making project reports. Apart from creating the actual project plan, a project tracking software also usually has the capacity to let the user draft reports on each project in the plan template. Possibly, he can even create presentations with this software. This way, whenever the user has to deal with something that is related to his projects, he no longer has to bother with various other software programs, i.e., which to open, MS Word, PowerPoint, or Outlook, or files, i.e., what file name or folder name he has saved his project in. All he has to do is to run the project tracking software, select the tasks in question, and everything will be there, including his presentation for their upcoming board meeting. 3. Create a timeline for every project. Aside from making plans and reports on every project, a project tracking software would also play a kind of organizer function for the user. It would tell him just what needs to be finished when, as well as let him create a sort of calendar of activities for each activity. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.